Hey guys, so today I want to talk about how in the last week a lot of airline companies have announced their earnings. This includes companies such as Southwest that's going to be reporting on Thursday and Delta Airlines that actually reported this week, and they reported a loss of around $500 million as a result of the coronavirus crash. Now, what does this mean for airline stocks? If we see here the Delta Airlines weekly chart, you can see that they hit a high of around $25 this week, and since then they've sold off to around 22.50 at their lows. And I was actually thinking of making a play on Delta Airlines until I saw their monthly chart where we can see that they were actually up all the way to 35. So I was kind of getting cold feet, and then I saw American Airlines over here, which was actually hitting its day's low. As you can see, the market hasn't closed yet, but American Airlines was all the way down at $10.25, and I was able to sell a credit call put I mean a credit put for around $24, and right now I'm up $3. But I feel like if American Airlines can recover all the way to 10.50, this contract will be virtually worthless because these expire all the way on Friday. So that's like 2 more days of time to fall over 40 cents for a stock that even since the crash hasn't fallen to below $10. As you can see here, when the chart loads, their lowest point was around 990, 980. So I really don't see them falling to around coronavirus level crashes, as that would mean that they are worth even less now than before the coronavirus. But they've been getting a lot of good news, so it's almost impossible for that to happen. And as you can see, they actually have recovered off their day lows with the stock market pushing up higher. So I'm already up $3 on the contract. So let me show you exactly what I did. So when I saw them at their lowest point, I was able to sell the put for $10, which means that I'm betting that the contract is going to increase in price. And in order to cover my risk, I came here and I sold the contract right under it, the put right under it, the American Airlines $9 put, also for the same expiration date of Friday. And that way, even though it limits my profit to only around $20, I'm actually able, well, not $20 because this contract has already lost a bit of its value. It was sitting at around 32 when I bought it, but both of these contracts have lost around $5 of value. So, you see, I've already earned $5. So, when you sell a contract, whatever the price of the contract is your max profit. And if the contract expires worthless, then you make the full amount on that contract. So I was able to sell the American Airlines $10 put for $33 at its maximum point, and now it's worth around 27. And the reason why I haven't earned $5 on the contract is because of the other contract I bought to close my risk was worth around $7. So my total that I can make as of right now is $20 on the contract. That's why when you come here, or actually 23, so that's why when you come here, you can see that it has a total value of $23 left on it. And yeah, so that's what I'm betting. I'm betting that American Airlines is going to recover and that they're not going to be able to hit their coronavirus lows of $10 before this Friday. And if all goes well, I should be up around $20. Thank you and good luck trading.